Hi everybody, my name is Emily. Today's video is I'm just going to show you how I'm doing my theater makeup. I did a little bit fancier today with a lot more glitter and I'm trying out a new mascara. I'll also do a quick shot after the show to show you how much of this completely comes off because of all the water thrown in my face. Anyway, I hope you all have a great time today and I will see you later. Bye! First up, I'm using my Belif the True Cream Aqua Bomb as my moisturizer. That's the base stuff that I put on. And then today I was actually trying out my Hourglass Vanish Seamless Finish Foundation Stick to see if that would work. So I was putting on the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer, which I do like, but it's kind of a pain to get out of the bottle. I wish it had a pump like the larger size does, but it does not. So I was using my stick foundation today. I was finding that my outdoor makeup was making me look a little too orange under the stage lighting. So this makeup made me a little more pale than I would have liked. I definitely had more of an ivory cast to my skin than I normally do, and then I was putting on my Urban Decay Naked Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer on over it, just basically under my eyes a little bit, any sort of like trouble spot I wanted to cover up. Then I was powdering with my Kat Von D Lock-It Setting Powder, that's in translucent. Basically I do that over my chin and my jawline, my nose, and then across my concealer, but then I leave my cheeks free of that so that I can put on my blush, my highlighter, and my contour, that kind of thing. I also put my Urban Decay primer potion on early for my eyeshadow so that it has time to dry. Then I'm contouring with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer, which I tend to do a fairly heavy contour if I'm doing a stage show. And then I've been using the Lancome Glow kit that I picked up over the holiday season. It's like a holiday palette. They know they had one also at Ulta. Basically, it's like my base highlighter. I'm also using the Milani Bellini Baked Blush. That's my favorite blush right now. It's just a beautiful pinky gold. And then I'm using Blossom Glow from Wet n Wild as another highlighter on top of my first highlighter. Don't worry, it's not the last highlighter I'm going to put on today. And then I decided to do a little bit of brow stuff. So I've been using my Kat Von D Signature Brow Pencil. I really like this thing. It's really great. I believe I'm in the light brown shade. I just wanted to give a little bit of definition to the brows. So that was something I was going for. And then I decided I was going to go full on glitter for today because we were actually doing a costume contest with a bunch of kids. So I always wear extra glitter if there's little girls around because they always love to have glitter and I usually have glittery shoes. So I was using my Cover FX glitter drops in Mirage on my cheekbones just to give a little bit of extra oomph. And then I went in and I put on my base layer of my eyeshadow. I'm still using my little mini chocolate bar palette from Too Faced, which I'm almost to pan on a couple of shades. I'm very, very close and it's very exciting. Basically using salted caramel across the lid just to give myself a little bit of, a little bit of color on top. And I put a little bit of some additional brown shades on there just to like darken it up a bit. Then I wanted to, have a more exciting palette choice today, so I went with the Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsessions, which I'm really liking. I took that really beautiful like red shade and I took that across the lid, and I took several of the like lighter purpley pinky highlighter shades to sort of lighten that up a little bit. The red I was picking partly because it matches part of my costume and also because it's a color I don't normally go for, but I wanted something very deep and striking to show up while I'm on stage. So that was what was the impetus behind picking that color. Then I had a little bit of purple because I really love purple. It's one of my very favorite things. And then next up I put a little bit of my Kat Von D Trooper eyeliner on top of that just to give myself a little bit more definition. And then I had decided I was going to try out a new mascara. So I was using the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara because that was a mascara I was enjoying otherwise. Oh, first up I put on my Stila Glittering Glow. That's in the shade Smoky Storm. I always add a little bit of that to the outer corner of my eyes when I'm doing a theater show as well. I also just really like that stuff. So this is when I'm using the mascara. I like this mascara for normal life. I found that it did not really work so well for theater stuff, as you'll see in a little bit of an update. It actually got really smudgy. There's my boss, Chris, in the background. There's Spencer, my coworker. And so I basically had made a little bit of a mistake with the mascara, so I had to clean that up a little bit. It also takes a lot longer to dry than the Blink does. So that was also a fairly annoying thing. And then last but not least, I always end with my Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Outlaw. It's my favorite red. This lipstick is really great. There is a lot of kissing in this show. This lipstick, if I powder over it, does not come off I'm kissing. However, it's funny when it does. So therefore, we will occasionally do that on there just for fun. As a quick note, switched my bandana for the day, just so you're not confused when you see this, but I'm trying this Monsieur Big mascara and it is already coming off. My show hasn't even begun yet, so this one is not a winner. I'm going to go take this off and put my other mascara on. So I'm going back to my regular Blink. That was a mistake. Now I know better. Hi guys, and this is what my makeup looks like at the end of the show, and that's what Laura's makeup looks like as well. So though she doesn't try to keep hers from smudging. There's a lot of smooching in the show, and so I normally would powder my lipstick so it wouldn't smear, but we find this funnier this way, so it is very smeargy. The mascara, I went over it with the Blink and it's much better. As of right now, like my highlighter looks great, my eyeshadow looks pretty great, lipstick's a mess, but that's on purpose, but you know, I don't look too bad, all things considered. Anyway, that's it for this video. I will see you guys at a later date. Bye!